Hi there, I'm Heeral, and today I'm going to share a very refreshing and best for summers drink that is Chikoo Milkshake. Easy, tasty, and refreshing. For this recipe, we need 4 medium sized Chikoos. You can take big ones or small ones as per your reference. And then we need to cut it into quarters. Chiku is really good for your health. It helps to control blood pressure, good for skin, rich in fiber, calcium, vitamin C, good for stomach, and increases immune level and body. It also helps to increase our energy level in the body. Children would really love this drink, and this is best for these hot summers. We don't want the seeds, you can discard the seeds as well. Once you have cut the chikus into quarters, add it into a mixer grinder jar. I'm not using any kind of a sugar because the chikus are already too sweet and sugar isn't good for our health as well. Now into the mixer grinder, to make a fine smooth milkshake out of this, we need to add milk. Milk is room temperature. You can use chilled milk if you are making it in summers. Healthy people do not consume very much of chicos because chicos are really rich in calories. Close the mixer grinder with the lid, and we need to blend it until the milkshake is smooth and looks tasty and nice. Once the milkshake is done, we need to pour this milkshake into a glass, and look at the beautiful texture. So smooth, creamy, and will taste absolutely divine. Here I'm going to garnish my milkshake with some chopped pistachios. You can use any of your favorite dry fruits like almonds, raisins, walnuts. Even rose petals would work really well. For channel support and more such refreshing videos, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.